Okay, now we see that problem number 2. Okay, draw an Archimedean spiral. Draw an Archimedean spiral of 1.5 रोटेशन. ओके, यहाँ पे करना क्या है, आर्किमिडियन स्पाइरल ड्रॉ करना है. कितने रोटेशन के लिए? 1.5 रोटेशन के लिए. ओके, द ग्रेटेस्ट रेडियस मीन्स के मैक्सिमम रेडियस एंड लीस्ट रेडियस मीन्स के मिनिमम रेडियस इज गिवन. ओके, maximum radius means capital R is 90 mm and small r is 18 mm. Okay, so we start that. First we draw the horizontal line. Okay, first we draw the horizontal line means first we take the O point and that is A point. Okay, here the dimension is take the radius 90 mm. Okay, take the O to A. So I write that here O to A is equal to 90 mm. Okay, here we take the dimension 90 mm. Okay, here we take the dimensions 90 mm. Okay, now second, minimum radius. तो here minimum radius is 18 mm means के O to P. Okay, O to B is equal to 18 mm. So I take that here point and that point I take the 80 mm means 1, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, I give this point name B. Okay, so I write that dimension is 18 mm. Okay, now I rub it. Now first we take the O center. Now first we take the O center and A radius and draw a circle. Now we take the O center and A radius. Okay, now we take the O center, A radius and draw a circle. Okay, now we take the here we take the O center, A radius and draw a circle. Now second, okay, here minimum radius is given and minimum radius is 80 mm. Minimum radius is 80 mm. So we take the O center, B radius. We take the O center, B radius and draw a circle. So first we take the O center, B radius. Okay, draw a O center, B radius and draw a small circle. Okay, this dimension is given. Draw the O center and B radius and draw a circle. Sorry. Okay. Now you divide a circle in 8 equal parts. Now you divide a circle in 8 equal parts. As you wish, you divide a circle also in 12 equal parts. Here we divide a circle in 8 equal parts. Okay. Now we divide a circle in 8 equal parts. Here I mark the point, join the point. That line. That line. That line. Okay. Now you give the point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Okay. In this example, we draw a spiral for 1.5 rotation. So I give the points for 0 to 7 and last I give the point name 8. Okay, it's 1.5 revolution. So 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Okay. Here we divide a circle in 8 equal parts and give this name 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and last is 8. Okay, this 1 to 8 point is only one rotation. Now in this question ask draw a spiral in 1.5 rotation. So I give the other half point 8 to 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. Now we know that here this point I give the name point B. Okay, here O to A is equal to 90 and O to B is equal to 80. So I find that A to B. So we know that O to A. So O to A is equal to O to B plus B to A. O to B plus B to A. So we find the A to B distance. Find the A to B distance. So we write that equation A to B is equal to OB is left side, means OA minus OB. So 19 minus 18. So equal to A to B is equal to which distance? It's 72. Okay. Here the A to B distance is 72 mm. Okay. Here we divide the circle in 8 equal parts. So we divide A to B 72. Okay. Here we draw spiral for 1.5 rotation. So we divide a circle in okay, sorry, we know that this is one rotation and this is 1.5 rotation. Okay, if we circle divide, this is 360 degree and this is 180 degree. Okay, if the circle for one rotation circle division is 8 equal parts and 1.5 rotation circle rotation is 4 equal parts. So we divide a line A to B divide a line A to B in 12 इक्वल पार्ट्स। ओके, यहाँ पे हमें लाइन को 12 पार्ट में क्यों डिवाइड करना है? क्योंकि हमको पता है कि सब हमको स्पाइरल जो ड्रॉ करना है, स्पाइरल का रोटेशन कितना है? 1.5 रोटेशन है। यानी एक रोटेशन के लिए 8 इक्वल पार्ट हुए, तो उसके आधे रोटेशन के लिए कितने हुए? 4 इक्वल पार्ट। सो 1.5, तो 1 + हाफ मीन्स 8 इक्वल पार्ट्स प्लस 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स, तो टोटल 12 इक्वल पार्ट्स। ओके, नाउ वी डिवाइड द लेंथ। नाउ we divide the length AB is equal to 72 by 12. Okay, so we know that is 6 mm. Okay, so one part is 6 mm. So here we divide the 12 equal parts and one part gives the 6 mm. So we take the scale. And mark the point. Okay, if you don't use the scales, just take the arc. If don't use the scale, just take the arc. Okay, mark the point. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, here we divide the parts 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So gives the point name, right to left. This point is 0. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, this point 1 to 8 is one rotation, and 9 10 11 and last point is 12, it's second rotation. Now first we take the O center 1 radius. First we take the O center 1 radius and draw a arc at the point 1 extension line. Okay, O center 1 radius and draw a arc. Clear? Okay, gives that point, that one point. Now second, O center 2 radius. O center 2 radius. Okay, this is your second point. Now O center 3 radius. O center 3 radius. Okay, your third point. Okay, now O center 4 radius. Okay, O center 4 radius. Now, now O center 5 radius. Now O center 5 radius. That here. Now O center 6 radius. Now O center 6 radius. Now O center 7 radius. Now O center 7 radius. This point gives the name P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, and that one is P6 and that one is P7. Okay, here we draw A center 8 radius. Okay. Here, sorry, O center 8 radius. Sorry, O center 8 radius. Okay, and draw a okay, you see that at 8 point we draw a full circle. Why? This is only one rotation, so first start at 8 point and one rotation is completed at the 8 point. Okay, now we take the 9, 10 in 11 for another half revolution. Okay, so first we take the O center 9 radius. Okay, 9 center, and this is your 9 point, so we extend the arc at that line. We extend the arc at that line. Okay, here you gives the point name P8 and here is point gives name P9. Now O center 10 radius. Now O center 10 radius. Now O center 10 radius and draw a arc at 10 number point extension line. 10 number point extension. Okay, that one is P10. Okay, same O center 11 radius. O center 11 radius and draw a curve at the 11 point extension line. 11 point extension line. Okay, and last point, this is 12. The O center 12 radius, this is the last circle, so this point is your last point, it gives the P12. Okay, now we joint, this point is gives the P0. Now this point gives the P0, P0 to P1, P1 to P2, P2 to P3, P3 to P4, P4 to P5, P5 to P6, P6 to P7, and P7 to P8. It's your one rotation is complete, and another rotation P8 to P9, P9 to P10, P10 to P11, and P11 to 12. Okay, clear? So first we start draw the 0 to P1, P0 to P1. You use the French curve. Okay, now second P1 to P2. Now third P3 to P2. Okay, now P4 to P3. Okay, now P5 to P4. Okay, now P6 to P5. Okay, now P6 to P7. P7 to P8. Okay, P8 to P9. This is the P9 point, so P8 to P9. Okay, P9 to P10. Okay, P10 to P11. Okay, and P11 to P12. Clear? This is your starting point, this is your end point for one rotation, and this is your end point for 1.5 rotation. Okay, okay, this is your final answer. Thank you.